Greetings and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is close to everyone's heart: overcoming limitations. Life is full of ups and downs, and we all face limitations at some point in our lives. However, it is how we choose to handle them that defines us. In this video, we'll be exploring the art of overcoming limitations and pushing yourself beyond your limits. Body. We all have different limitations. It could be a physical disability, a mental block, or even something as simple as a fear of failure. But it's important to remember that these limitations are not permanent. With the right mindset and tools, you can push past them and achieve your goals. One way to overcome your limitations is to set achievable goals for yourself. Start small and work your way up. For example, if you're scared of public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small group of people and gradually increase the size of your audience. By doing this, you're building your confidence and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Another important factor in overcoming limitations is to have a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't let negative thoughts hold you back. Instead, focus on your strengths and the progress you've made so far. This will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. It's also important to remember that failure is a part of the process. Don't be afraid to fail, because it's through failure that we learn and grow. Use your failures as an opportunity to learn, and don't give up on your goals. Overcoming limitations is all about mindset and perseverance. Set achievable goals for yourself, believe in your abilities, and don't be afraid to fail. With these tools, you can push yourself beyond your limits and achieve your goals. Remember, your limitations do not define you. You have the power to overcome them and achieve greatness. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational content.